All right, boys and girls, as you know, this week, instead of doing our regular math, we're actually doing some review papers. And today I have two papers for you to do. The first one, you're just going to do some adding. The second one, I think you're really going to like it. You get to cut and glue and color. So, you are going to need the 2 pages that were attached to this video, or if you're in the classroom, teacher should have them for you. The first one is called Planting Seeds. Looks like this. And the other one looks like this. So I'm not going to actually do them with you because I don't really think you need my help, but I want to tell you how you're going to do them. So this one is called Planting Seeds, and this is the time of year when people start either planting seeds in their house or they start thinking about, oh, what am I going to put in my garden? What am I going to plant in my garden so that it'll grow and we can put food away for winter? So these are supposed to be seed packs, and they have numbers on them, and you are going to add the numbers together. So the first one says 3 plus 2 equals. So if we put 3 and 2 more together, how many do we get? 5. Excuse me. So you're going to put a 5 right there. This one is not going to take you very long, I know. So that's why I picked this other one. Besides, it's almost Easter, and I think you're going to enjoy it. So this is an Easter basket. On the top, we have numbers 1 to 9. And on the bottom, we have egg dominoes. Have you ever seen egg dominoes? I have not, but might be fun to make them when you're dyeing eggs, right? That might be a fun thing to do. So what you're going to do is you are going to cut across here, and then you're going to get to cut out the eggs. And you are going to glue them on the right number. So this one right here is number what? 1, obviously, yep. And so where's that one going to go? Right up here. So you want to cut carefully because you want them to look super nice in your basket. And then I can't wait to see what a nice job you do coloring them. I remind my students that they are almost first graders, so they're going to do a super job coloring them. I hope you have a great time doing these 2 papers, reviewing a little bit of addition, and reviewing domino numbers. Make sure you upload them for your teacher if you are at home, and I'll be looking forward to seeing them. Maybe if they're super great, your teacher will send them to me and let me see them as well. If I have a little time, I might do one too because I love to color. You have a great time, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.